Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming hardware and preparing recovery media. First, verify 64-bit CPU, TPM2, 0, and secure boot so Windows 11 can install. This prevents common firmware errors. Once done, make a bootable USB with the Media Creation tool or Rufus using GPT for UEFI because the installer expects that layout. Make a quick backup of documents and the registry and export keys. You'll restore personal data later. Now plug the USB and reboot to the firmware boot menu to start. You'll try automated repair first because it fixes many broken setups. Boot from the USB, choose Repair Your Computer and run Startup Repair. Then open Command Prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano to repair system files. If the installer still fails, proceed to a clean install. Choose Custom, delete old Windows partitions, create a single primary partition, and format. Make sure to select the correct drive, enter your key or skip, and link your Microsoft account after setup. You finish by installing chipset and storage drivers from the PC Maker to avoid post-install blues. This matters because generic drivers can block activation or stability. Once installed, run Windows Update and check Device Manager for any missing components, then update BIOS if persistent hardware errors appear. If installation still fails, note exact error codes and log files, try a different USB port or a fresh USB stick, and recreate the installation media. These steps isolate faulty media versus hardware or firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.